Hello?
Yeah. Okay, so I bought my PlayStation 3 the other day, or maybe it was an Xbox 360, could have been a Wii, one of the above. So, when I bought this, it didn't come with the cables. But when I took the cables out of the box, I plugged it into the left hand of the adapter side, and the AC converter wouldn't simultaneously work with the green or orange or one of the above of the AC cables. Yes, the components. So then the computer screen, or the Wii screen, or whatever the mother thing is, the Sanyo didn't necessarily hook up correctly, and it was a fuzzy screen. So I go to plug into the orange, even though it was red, because, you know, that's just it's necessary. And then, once I saw this, the pure rights of the technological differential was to plug it in to the right color. But the combination just wouldn't connect, and I need the connections. So how do I get the cables?
Okay, hold on. I'm going to put you on with somebody who knows.
Joan? Can you put me on with Joan?
There is no Joan back here.
We've been asking for Joan.
Yes, Jerry will work, as long as it's not like a Megan or something.
Because nobody likes Meg. Because nobody likes Meg.
Because no one likes Megan. Just tell me.
Meg.
Just
Meg.
let me know. Just Meg. Just sometimes it's
Shut up,
sometimes
Meg.
just a nutmeg.
Say, shut up, Meg.
Okay.
Meg, calm your tits.
I'll take you out. Record this too.
Hello, Joanne?
Joan?
Jerry?
Sure, can I help you?
Yes, Jerry. Amen. Did she tell you that I would rather not talk to a Meg? Because Megs don't really work well with me. You know, the last time I got one, it didn't go down as planned, and they just were so, you know, maybe like want to just jump out a window or something.
Ma'am, what are we talking about? I'm confused.
Okay, so electronics. Is this electronics?
Yes.
Okay, so I bought my PS3 or Wii or one of the above, whichever one. And when the adapter cables, when I would hook it up, it didn't come with the cables at all. So there were no cables in the box. And then when I got the cables out of the box, I tried to plug it into the Guitar Hero, and it wouldn't even plug into the adapter cord. And on an occasional basis, it just wouldn't hook up correctly. So the simultaneous vacuously boredom here, the demo you're talking to, is trying to figure out the right connector cables. And the green one won't go well with the pink, and it's not working well, and it's necessary. I
truthfully have no idea what you're talking about.
Excuse me.
Is this electronic?
Charlie?
If you have a green cable, it sounds like you're hooking up a component cable system.
Hold on, no.
It's only going to work on a high-definition TV.
High definition, okay. Well, if I had a Sony Air,
Say the box.
the box tops that I got for Ronald McDonald's house, it should help me with this.
It's always Tampax. Is that the kind
It's
of
always
PlayStation?
Tampax.
I have
Is
no
that
idea. I don't know what it is.
Tampax?
Bring it.
Tampax Pearl. Bring it on, brother.
No, I haven't got any idea.
Kotex.
Always.
Always.
Always feeling good.
Always definite.
Trojan.
Fire and ice.
Brings you
Hot and
closer.
spicy. Anyway, so back to the story. So the Ronald McDonald House box top should help me get this Wii working. Actually, it's more of a like Xbox 360. It says a PS3 on it, so Xbox. And when I go to hook up the connector cable to the guitar, I plug it into the amplifier, and I go to plug into the AC converter, and it's not hooking up with the correct occasional simultaneously vacuously introspections.
Were you a precocious child?
Were you a precocious child?
Did he hang up?
Trojan?
Did he hang up?
Jerry. Jerry? Can I sing you a song? I wanna see you work out for me, we got a good thing. No, if I'ma see you again, do.
You know we can trace this call by pressing star 69, right?
Excuse me. I'm trying to get help with my Wii.
Ma'am?
Yes.
You realize that we can trace this call, the police can't?
And
Uh-huh.
Why would you trace it?
Why, if you explain to me what you want, I'll try to help you.
The Wii needs the connector cords.
Okay, it comes with one cable that goes from the Wii